What is going down, y'all? It's your boy. I'm here just doing a quick little, I guess, tidbit, or just to share some information with you here. So, I wanted to show this with you. There's going to be an upcoming video in regards to a bunch of parts that I got from this guy, older guy, man. Owns his own shop. Has been in the game for about 30 to 40 years and had accumulated a gang of parts, man. And I came up on it like, I don't know. He was selling some stuff on OfferUp for like really cheap. Chevelle parts, and so I needed a grill, and he was selling it for like 40 bucks. And so I hit him up, asked him if it was in good condition. He said yes. I went out there, and then he asked me if I needed anything else for a Chevelle, and I said yes. And then he took me out to his shop and a truckload full of parts, and he said take whatever you want for $40. So be on the lookout for that. That video is coming soon. I won't ruin my video because I want you guys to see that day, my emotions and all that of what I came out with. It's crazy, y'all. It was crazy. But anyways, I wanted to show you this because I rented this tool right here from O'Reilly's, and I gotta take it back. So but in regards to this right here, so I'm not flipping the camera around because the camera on my phone's messed up, but one of the parts that he gave me was this tilt steering wheel column, this whole column. He threw this in, y'all. Threw this in. I got like probably like a bunch. I mean, just wait for the video, you'll see. But I got a bunch of parts just for $40, and he threw this in. So this is what he was telling me, and he put me up on game, and I didn't even know. But I guess you can use, and I guess it makes sense. But he said this column was for like a mid 70s or like early 70s Caprice, is what he said. And what he had done in the past to upgrade his columns was use like these style columns because they have tilt on them. So this thing obviously tilts the column, and as you can see, it can go up and down right here. So he said you can use these columns of the same length and everything, and you can just throw them in like, you know, a Camaro or a Chevelle or something like that. And so then you have a tilt column. And I seen somebody selling one of these columns for, I think for a Chevelle. It was said it was specifically for a Chevelle, and they wanted like 300 bucks for it. I was like, well, it's not that important to me. But he threw this in, y'all. He goes, yeah, put it right in and you'll be good to go. So I was like, really? And so I measured the width of it here, because originally when I saw it, I thought it was too fat. And when I measured it, lo and behold, it was the same exact diameter as the one that's in my Chevelle. So anyways, I just wanted to share that with you here. So if you're, you know, in the market for a tilt column, and there's a early 70s Caprice, GM model, Pontiac, Oldsmobile, whatever, I'm assuming they probably would come on the little bit nicer cars, is what I'm assuming, like the Caprice or maybe like the Pontiac Parisian or something like that, Oldsmobile, something similar. They probably would be more apt to have this column. But shit, yeah, y'all. So he just threw this in. He said just take it, and along with some other parts. So be on the lookout for that video. But I thought I would just share this with y'all as I'm taking this steering wheel apart, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean it up and paint it, and then I'm going to put it in my Chevelle. So anyways, just wanted to share that with y'all. So hopefully you guys, everything that I learn, everything that I find out, I'm sharing with y'all. So, you know, I ain't got nothing to hide. I'm here to help, and I've learned a lot from people on YouTube and everything. So whatever I learn, you guys learn too. All right, I'll holler at you. Peace out.